Unplanned corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance is considered unplanned in two situations. First, corrective maintenance is unplanned, when a preventive maintenance schedule is in place, but a breakdown occurs between scheduled maintenance actions. Maintenance can be may be performed immediately or at a later date, depending on the availability of tools, parts, and personnel. Second, corrective maintenance can also be unplanned, when an asset shows signs of potential failure or reaches failure unexpectedly. In this scenario, there are no planned maintenance actions to catch the failure before it happens or to address it after it happens.